everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angelica and this is Simple by A channel where I'm showing you very easy DIY projects from home decor, beauty products to fashion. In today's video I will be showing you how to make easy macrame bag. I've been in TK Maxx recently when I've seen a really pretty summery bag. It cost about £22 and was really simple bag made by using macrame knots. So that bag inspired me to create this video and make my own summery bag. But before I start this project, please let me know in comments down below what kind of DIYs do you prefer and want to see more. If it's home decor or maybe fashion. Do you want to see more macrame or maybe no? So there will be car booths starting in my area from the next week. So I'm planning to make a few videos with upcycling items or just to show you what I was able to find. I hope you will like it as well. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in topics like that. And for now, let's start with the bag. For this project you need 6 mm thick cotton cord, 2 bamboo or wooden circles. You can also use embroidery hoops, hot glue gun, and a pair of scissors. Cut 20 pieces of cord, each one 200 centimeters long. Secure your hoop. I've simply put heavy flower pot inside the hoop so it won't move. I'm using 10 cords for each hoop. Fold each cord in half and using lark side knot, attach it to the hoop. I've made a separate video where I'm showing how to make basic macrame knots. Do the same with the rest of your cord. When all 10 cords are attached to the hoop, start making full row right across of the square knots. Once first row is finished, start creating second row. Start from the third cord from left hand side. And then make third row starting again with the first loose cord. Repeat that whole process with your second hoop. Now it's time to attach both of the sides together. Take 2 loose cords from your first hoop and 2 cords from second hoop and connect them together using square knot. The first 3 rows I was doing quite tight and close to each other. Now I'm leaving a bit more space between knots and rows. Continue creating square knots on the same level. Now we have to connect last 4 cords together. Take one of the circle and put it on the top of the other one. Continue all this process all the way down. Remember to connect the sides of the bag together. Once the row is finished, flip your bag over and continue with square knot. When you reach the length of the bag you want, it's time to secure the bottom part. Leave the first 2 cords on the side. Take 1 cord from the front of the bag and 1 cord from the back of your bag and simply make a double knot. Cut off your spare cord. Of course, don't throw it away. Keep it for future projects. To secure the bottom of your bag even more, use hot glue gun. Glue your cord in few places together. Now flip the bag inside out and it's all ready. I hope you like this project. As you can see, it's really easy to do, but the result is quite impressive. The natural color will go with most of the summery outfits, and you can easily fit all your essentials when you're going to the beach. This bag was really simple to make, but there is much more different shapes, patterns or sizes of the bags you can make. So if you like this one, please click the like button so I will know you enjoy it, and I will make another videos with macrame bags. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next.